When it comes to door installation, Miami Gardens homeowners face a unique set of challenges. The city's vibrant tropical climate, frequent humidity, and proximity to coastal winds demand doors that are more than just stylish. They need to be durable, weather-resistant, and properly installed to perform year-round. While big-name contractors may promise quick results, hiring local experts gives you something no national brand can match: a deep understanding of the environment, materials, and craftsmanship standards needed to ensure long-lasting performance in South Florida's conditions. Here's why working with local professionals makes all the difference for door installation in Miami Gardens homes. Expertise in Miami Gardens climate. Miami Gardens experiences long, humid summers, salt-laden breezes, and heavy rains. These environmental factors can quickly wear down poorly installed or low-quality doors. Local door installation experts understand these conditions better than anyone. They know which materials perform best in this climate, such as fiberglass, steel, or impact-rated glass, and how to properly seal and secure them against moisture and corrosion. A local installer's knowledge of weatherproofing techniques helps ensure that your doors not only look beautiful but also resist warping, swelling, and rust. Simply put, they know what it takes to make your door last in Miami Gardens' unpredictable weather. Compliance with Florida building codes. Florida's building regulations are some of the strictest in the nation, and for good reason. In hurricane-prone regions like Miami-Dade County, doors and windows must meet specific impact resistance and wind load standards to protect homes during storms. Local installers are well versed in these requirements. They ensure every door installation meets or exceeds Miami-Dade's hurricane codes, giving you both peace of mind and full compliance with local regulations. This is especially important for insurance and resale value, as non-compliant doors can lead to fines or denied coverage after a storm. When you hire local experts, you're not just getting a door, you're getting a code-approved barrier of protection. Tailored recommendations for Miami Gardens homes. Every home in Miami Gardens has its own personality, from sleek modern designs to charming Mediterranean-style properties. Local door professionals take time to understand your home's architecture, aesthetic goals, and functional needs. They'll help you choose options that blend seamlessly with your home's design while offering top performance. Whether it's a stunning glass front door for coastal light or a sturdy impact-rated back door for security, local installers customize recommendations to suit your lifestyle and budget. Their guidance ensures that your door installation enhances both your home's beauty and practicality. Faster service and ongoing support. One of the biggest advantages of hiring local experts is accessibility. Local installers are right in your area, which means faster scheduling, quicker turnaround times, and more responsive communication. If you ever need maintenance, repairs, or adjustments, you won't have to wait weeks for someone to return your call. Local professionals prioritize their community's needs and often offer personalized warranties and follow-up care to keep your doors performing like new. This level of commitment is hard to find with out-of-town contractors who disappear once the project is complete. Supporting the Miami Gardens community. When you choose local professionals, you're investing in your own community. Local door installers are small business owners who take pride in their reputation and rely on customer satisfaction to thrive. By hiring them, you help sustain Miami Gardens' economy, support local jobs, and strengthen neighborhood connections. These experts genuinely care about delivering quality work because their success depends on happy, repeat customers, just like you. It's a partnership that benefits everyone: your home, your peace of mind, and your local community. The precision that only experience provides. A professional installation isn't just about fitting a door into a frame. It's about ensuring every hinge, seal, and latch works flawlessly. Local experts use advanced tools, precise measurements, and years of hands-on experience to guarantee a perfect fit. A properly installed door improves energy efficiency, strengthens security, and prevents issues like drafts or leaks. The result is a door that not only looks stunning but performs exactly as it should, even under Miami Gardens' demanding weather conditions. Final thoughts for homeowners in Miami Gardens. Hiring local door installation experts is more than a smart choice. It's the best way to ensure lasting quality, safety, and value. Local professionals understand the climate, comply with strict Florida building codes, and offer the kind of personalized service that turns a simple installation into a long-term investment. With their help, you can enjoy a door that enhances your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal for years to come. When it comes to protecting and perfecting your Miami Gardens home, local expertise makes all the difference.